Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 2026 Hindustan Ambassador, a perfect fusion of heritage and modern innovation. Its commanding stance and dignified presence instantly take you back in time while reminding you this is a car reborn for the future. Starting from the lower left, the iconic silhouette reveals smooth, sculpted lines that pay homage to the original Ambassador. Moving upward, the sleek LED headlights bring a sharp, futuristic look, seamlessly integrated into a bold front grille that carries the Ambassador name with pride. As we move across, the wide chrome accents highlight its regal face, while the lower bumper with a refined air intake gives it strength and modern elegance. Coming back down to the right, every detail of the fascia speaks of timeless prestige blended with cutting-edge design. A machine built for those who value legacy, comfort, and authority on the road. As we shift to the rear, the proud, stately design continues, echoing the grandeur that once defined India's streets. The broad LED tail lamps stretch across, combining classic charm with modern sophistication. At the center, the iconic Ambassador badge shines as a symbol of heritage reborn. Down below, the dual exhaust tips add a refined touch, quietly asserting performance. Moving to the right, the sculpted rear fenders emphasize strength, while on the lower left, the sturdy bumper grounds the design with confidence. The rear presence leaves no doubt, this is a car that stands tall among modern sedans. This is not just a car, it's the rebirth of an icon. Stepping inside, the 2026 Ambassador redefines luxury for a new era. Premium leather seats with fine stitching deliver unmatched comfort, while the spacious rear cabin ensures every passenger experiences true executive treatment. Moving upward, the digital driver display provides real-time driving data with sharp clarity, while across the center, the large infotainment screen offers seamless connectivity and modern conveniences. As we move right, the ambient lighting and crafted wood accents elevate the sense of occasion. Coming back to the left, every surface, every control is designed to merge heritage with futuristic comfort. Every detail inside the cabin is built to honor the past while embracing tomorrow. From the side, the Ambassador's long, graceful profile commands respect just like it once did. The elongated hood, broad shoulders, and upright stance pay tribute to the original's authoritative character. Moving across, the smooth body lines flow elegantly toward the rear, while the polished chrome trim adds a touch of timeless class. Down below, the premium alloy wheels and strong wheel arches anchor the car with modern strength. As we return to the left, the aerodynamic skirts complete a profile that balances vintage dignity with contemporary sophistication. A true classic, reborn for a new generation. Under the hood, the 2026 Ambassador offers more than just presence, it delivers refined power. The advanced hybrid powertrain ensures both performance and efficiency, producing impressive output while maintaining smoothness on every journey. Moving upward, the digital cluster keeps drivers informed with power flow and drive modes. Across the center, the adaptive suspension and stability systems guarantee a comfortable yet confident ride. Shifting to the right, the engineering focus on refinement ensures silence within the cabin, even as power responds instantly. And coming back to the left, the entire setup is tuned to give an effortless yet commanding driving experience. Graceful performance, modern engineering, and enduring authority. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2026 Ambassador an irresistible choice. The base model is expected to start around $40,000, with higher trims offering added luxury features at approximately $55,000. Moving upward, Hindustan Motors provides a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Across the center, maintenance costs are designed to stay accessible, ensuring practicality alongside prestige. Shifting to the right, the value proposition makes it not just a car but a piece of history you can drive today. Coming back to the left, owning this car means carrying forward a legacy while stepping into the future of Indian luxury. If you're ready to relive history while embracing the future, the 2026 Hindustan Ambassador awaits you. An icon reborn, ready to reclaim its throne on the roads. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.